Duplicate stock cards can be merged in the Product Maintenance window. From Minfos Stock Manager, click the Product Maintenance icon. Click Find and search for the slave stock card, that is, the stock card that will not be retained after the merge. If the slave stock card has a stock on hand, check the sales and purchases history. This can help you to decide what information, for example, retail price, barcode, categories, and unit cost, you will keep from the slave. If the slave product has a negative stock on hand, it is likely that it has the correct barcode and retail price. If the slave product has a positive stock on hand, it is likely that it has the correct unit cost and categories. Make a note of the product number of the slave stock card and any attributes from the slave stock card that you would like to retain. Click OK or Cancel to return to Product Maintenance. Click Find and search for the master product, that is, the stock card that will be retained after the merge. Click Change to view the stock card and make a note of which product attributes you would like to retain. You can also view the sales and purchases history to help you with the decision process. With the master product highlighted, click Merge. The Merge screen will display the details of the master product. Enter the slave product number that you noted earlier into the slave product number section and then press Tab. Review the master and slave product details and use the corresponding radio buttons to select which attributes you want to retain from each stock card. The merged product preview section shows a preview of the stock card. Review this section carefully as the merge process cannot be reversed. Tick the Confirm Preview checkbox. To merge the stock cards and queue a label, click Merge and Queue Label. If you do not require a new label, click Merge. The stock cards are merged and the retained product is shown in the Product Maintenance window. Repeat this process to merge other stock cards if required. For further information about product mergers, please refer to the Minfos Help Centre.